This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called Encoded01. Encoded01. This particular ransomware damages the file that people store on their hard drives. So before the ransomware attack, of course, they are able to open the files without any troubles. They can open pictures, music, video files, text documents, Microsoft Office documents, and other documentation. However, the internet is not a safe place today, and because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system, the ransomware may inject the computer. So somehow this Encoded01 ransomware may be activated in the system, and then pretty soon people realize that their files have been modified and damaged by this particular ransomware. By the way, it's a good idea to examine the task manager of the system, and if you see any longer processes with random file names, most likely these processes would be related to the ransomware. So if you find them in the task manager, you might consider right-clicking on these suspicious processes and then ending their task in order to stop the further file decryption. File encryption. But as often it happens, people might restart the computer and they don't really suspect anything bad to happen, but pretty soon they realize that the files have been given this special extension called Encoded01, and people cannot open their files anymore. The ransomware gives this notice mentioning that the victims need to pay the special ransom to restore their files. But paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files would be restored, and paying the ransom may simply result in the total waste of the money. So what we recommend you to do is the following. First of all, we suggest that you, well, as we said before, you may open the task manager and end the tasks of suspicious processes to stop the further file encryption. After that, we recommend you to download the special anti-ransomware called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may download its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. If you cannot open your regular browser, you may go to the C drive, program files, and start Internet Explorer browser to download Combo Cleaner through this official site combocleaner.com. After the program is downloaded and installed, start scanning the system with its help to detect this ransomware and remove it effectively, and to protect your data from being damaged in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protected against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware, and as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So, enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.